Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you probably saw, the screen time is a little bit too fast for my liking, so let's change it. We have to open the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and localize the option screen timeout, which is right here. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest, which is 10 minutes. So let me choose this option. As you can see, after tapping, it will be immediately marked. And after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.